Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the inspiring life of Rabindranath Tagore, a literary giant whose influence transcends boundaries and generations. Join us as we explore the journey of this remarkable poet, philosopher, and Nobel laureate. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in the Jorsanko mansion in Calcutta, India. He was the youngest of 13 children in a prominent Bengali family. His father, Devendranath Tagore, was a leading figure in the Brahmo Samaj, a reformist movement in Hinduism. From an early age, Rabindranath was exposed to the rich cultural and intellectual atmosphere of his home. Despite his traditional education, Tagore's real learning came from the freedom to explore his interests. He disliked the rigid schooling system and was mostly educated at home. This unconventional upbringing allowed his creative spirit to flourish. Tagore started writing poems at the tender age of 8. By 16, he had published his first substantial poems under the pseudonym Bhanusimha. His early works reflect a deep sensitivity to the natural world and a profound philosophical outlook. In 1878, Tagore travelled to England to study law, but his interest in English literature soon took precedence. Although he did not complete his law degree, his time in England exposed him to Western literary traditions, which would later influence his own work. Upon returning to India, Tagore immersed himself in his literary pursuits. He took charge of his family estate in Shilaidaha, where he spent significant time writing. This period was incredibly productive. He wrote many of his major works, including Gitanjali, a collection of poems that would earn him international acclaim. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore became the first non-European to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for Gitanjali. His deeply spiritual and lyrical poetry, celebrating the beauty of nature and the human soul, resonated worldwide. Tagore's achievements were not confined to literature alone. He was a visionary who founded Visvabharati University in 1921, an institution that emphasized holistic education and cultural exchange. Tagore believed in an education that nurtured creativity and critical thinking.
In Birbhum district of West Bengal lies the town of Bolpur. Bolpur is better known to the world as Shantiniketan, or the abode of peace. Shantiniketan houses the world-famous Vishwabharati University. At its core, Vishwabharati is an ashram in which the ancient Tapobanic style of learning prevails today. Maharshi Devendranath Tagore, the father of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, started a Brahmo Vidyalaya and a library in 1888. In 1901, his son Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore founded the Brahmacharya Ashram in conformity with the example that his father had set. This Brahmacharya Ashram grew into the Patha Bhavan in 1920.
Tagore's contributions to Indian art and culture were immense. He was a painter, a composer, a philosopher, and an educationist. His works often explored themes of humanism, universalism, and the importance of cultural dialogue. In his later years, Tagore continued to travel extensively, spreading his message of unity and understanding. He met prominent figures like Albert Einstein and Mahatma Gandhi, engaging in deep conversations about art, science, and society. Despite his global fame, Tagore remained deeply connected to his roots. He continued to write prolifically, producing novels, short stories, plays, and essays that reflected his progressive vision. Rabindranath Tagore passed away on 7 August 1941, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire. His life and works remind us of the power of creativity and the importance of striving for a more harmonious world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Rabindranath Tagore. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.